This is my favorite question because there's so many reasons why someone should pick a Kohler generator. But some of my favorites, we've already talked about one of them, and that has to do with the break-in maintenance and how that's not required or not needed for a Kohler generator, where with other brands, they want you to run the unit for 25 hours after it's installed to break in the engine. The Kohler comes ready to go. Also, Kohler is the only brand of generators that allows you to run a fully loaded exercise. A fully loaded exercise is when the generator will actually power the home during the weekly test rather than just running in the background, which is what all the other guys do. The importance of that is you're testing the full system. You're testing the generator, the fuel supply, as well as the transfer switch. And by doing that, if there's something wrong with any of those things, you're going to catch it before there's a power outage. Whereas with the other guys, if you're just testing the generator, there's a lot of things that can go unnoticed throughout the year that are going to lead to that generator failing when you need it most. When you compare a Kohler generator side by side with some of the leading competitors, and you're looking at all the major components, everything on the Kohler generator is bigger, beefier, more heavy duty, like it was actually designed to last as long as possible. There's another dealer out there that did a great video actually showing these parts side by side. That video is linked in our YouTube channel. I'd really recommend checking out that video. It's very eye-opening, and it's just night and day when it comes to the engineering on these machines. The enclosures on the Kohler units, these newer designs have been out for about 5 or 6 years. I don't think I've ever seen a Kohler generator with a rusted out enclosure, but I come across them all the time with other brands of units. They have an aluminum enclosure, and it has a powder coat finish on it and a salt spray. So down here in Florida, we have salty air. These enclosures do really well with preventing rust, and they stay looking nice. So with this gray finish on them, they do stay looking nice for a really long time. Some of the other brands, 3 or 4 years later, they're already turning yellow, turning green, not with the Kohler units. Inside the enclosure, they have a really high quality sound dampening material. Some of the other manufacturers have gone cheap on this side of things. Sometimes we come across units where the sound dampening material has fallen down and is sitting on top of the engine and will actually burn up. Very annoying, very frustrating. Don't have that problem with the Kohlers. And then we also talked about the noise. They do have one of the quietest generators on the market, 67 decibels when the generator is powering your home. And then the different exercise modes, you can run at different speeds to reduce the sound for the exercise period. And then lastly, the factory warranty on this machine. Kohler has a 5-year parts, labor, and travel warranty on the generator. Some of the other big manufacturers, they have a 5-year warranty, but it's only parts, labor, and travel for the first 2 years. After that, it's just going to be parts, but you're going to have to pay for the labor and the travel of the company to come do the repair.